Guys, si Kalang Vlogger ng Kapuyaw, Fighter Vlogger ng Kapuyaw nasa Silangan Exit City. Ang i-picture ni Fighter Vlogger ngayon yung dito, expressway dito sa Barangay Mapagong, Calamba City. Hello, expressway guys. Yan ang i-picture ni Fighter Vlogger dito sa Calamba City. Yan guys yung expressway dito sa Calamba City. Calamba City, Laguna. Ito yung dito. Ginagawang widening project ng Miguel Corporation sa Calamba City. Pinapaluwag ng San Miguel Corporation itong expressway dito sa Laguna area. Yan guys yung mga sasakyan dito. Papuntang Maynila yan guys. Yung bandang kanan. Yung kabila, yung southbound, papuntang Batangas, Lucena City. Sa 1 million viewers, thank you for visiting my live stream guys. Biker Vlogger ng Kapuyaw in Barangay Mapagong, Canlubang City. Canlubang, Calamba, Laguna. Yan guys yung ito, yung expressway going to Batangas and Manila. Yan guys yung mga dito, ongoing na project ng San Miguel Corporation, widening ng South Luzon Expressway guys. Hello my friend, Amar Rongpi. Good morning my friend. Thank you for visiting my live. Thank you for watching guys on my live stream. I'm live here in Barangay Mapagong, Calamba City guys. Hello my friend, Amar Rongpi. Thank you for watching. Thank you for visiting my live.